मैं इस दुश्मनी को दोस्ती में बदल दूंगा। I'll turn this enmity into friendship. I'll turn this enmity into friendship. क्या आप मुझे उसके घर ले जा सकते हैं? Can you take me to his house? Can you take me to his house? तुम इसका क्या करने वाले हो? What are you going to do with this? What are you going to do with this? क्या मुसीबत है? What a bother. What a bother. हवा आने दे. Give me my space. Give me my space. दो कौड़ी के इंसान. Hey, you slob. Hey, you slob. अब चाहे जो जाए. Come what may. Come what may. अगर मुझे फिर से तंग किया तो मैं तुम्हें ब्लॉक कर दूंगी. If you harass me again, I will block you. If you harass me again, I will block you. चलो सुबह बात करते हैं. Let's talk in the morning. Let's talk in the morning. ये सब आपको यहां आने से पहले सोचना चाहिए था ना? You should have thought about all this before coming here. You should have thought about all this before coming here. आपको मुझे ये बात कल बतानी चाहिए थी ना? You should have told me this yesterday. You should have told me this yesterday. तुम्हारे स्कूल की छुट्टी कब होगी? When will your school get over? When will your school get over? उसके स्कूल की छुट्टी 2 बजे होती है. His school gets over at 2 o'clock. His school gets over at 2 o'clock. उसे जरा नरमी से पेश आओ. Take it easy on him. और go easy on him. Take it easy on him. Go easy on him. चीनी जरा बचा के इस्तेमाल करो. Take it easy on the sugar. और go easy on the sugar. Take it easy on the sugar. Go easy on the sugar. उसे समझा दो कि वो नौकरी न छोड़े. Talk him out of resigning. Talk him out of resigning. उसे समझा दो कि वो बाजार ना जाए. Talk him out of going to the market. Talk him out of going to the market. उसे समझा दो कि वो मेरी सलाह मान ले. Talk him into following my advice. Talk him into following my advice. जाने दो उन बातों को. Let go of those things. Let go of those things. रस्सी पर अपनी पकड़ छोड़ दो. तुम नहीं गिरोगे. Relinquish or let go of your grip on the rope. You won't fall. Relinquish, let go of your grip on the rope. You won't fall. मेरे फोन की बैटरी जा रही है. मैं तुमसे बाद में बात करती हूँ. My mobile battery is about to die. I will talk to you later. My mobile battery is about to die. I will talk to you later. उन्होंने मुझे दिन दहाड़े लूट लिया. They have looted me in broad daylight. They have looted me in broad daylight. आंधी के कारण ट्रेन 1 घंटा देरी से चली. The train was delayed for an hour on account of the typhoon. The train was delayed for an hour on account of the typhoon. यहां धूम्रपान करना सख्त मना है. Smoking is strictly prohibited here. Smoking is strictly prohibited here. उसने बहुत नाम कमाया. He earned a lot of recognition. He earned a lot of recognition. ये फायदे का सौदा नहीं है. It's not worthwhile. It's not worthwhile. दीवारों पर लिखना सख्त मना है. Writing is strictly prohibited on the walls. Writing is strictly prohibited on the walls. मेरी तरफ मत देखो, अपना काम करो. Don't look at me. Do your work. Don't look at me. Do your work. टेबल पर बहुत सी अलग-अलग किताबें पड़ी थीं. Various books were lying on the table. Various books were lying on the table. यहां केरल में बहुत से बूचड़खाने हैं. There is a lot of abattoir in Kerala. There is a lot of abattoir in Kerala. जल्दी से तैयार हो जाओ. Get dressed fast. Get dressed fast. थोड़ी देर और सोने दो ना. Let me sleep a little longer, please. Let me sleep a little longer, please. मेरी दाईं आंख अचानक फड़कने लगी है. कुछ बुरा होने वाला है. My right eye has started twitching suddenly. Will something go wrong? My right eye has started twitching suddenly. Will something go wrong? तुम्हें हेलमेट पहन लेना चाहिए. You must wear a brain bucket. You must wear a brain bucket. वह नया है. He is like a bull in a china shop. He is like a bull in a china shop. यह कार मेरे लिए व्यर्थ है. This car is a white elephant for me. This car is a white elephant for me. वह बड़ा ही निर्दयी है. He is as hard as nails. He is as hard as nails. मैं रोज सुबह अपने आप को फिट रखने के लिए 1 गिलास दूध पीता हूं. I drink a glass of milk each morning to put the roses in my cheeks. I drink a glass of milk each morning to put the roses in my cheeks. यह आवश्यक रूप से सत्य नहीं है. It is not necessarily true. It is not necessarily true. वह अपने एग्जाम्स के बारे में मेन चिंतित था. He was obsessed with his exams. He was obsessed with his exams. एक लड़की से छेड़खानी करने के शक पर लोगों ने उसे पीटा. People beat him on suspicion of molesting a girl. People beat him on suspicion of molesting a girl. मैं चाहता हूं कि तुम पढ़ाई करने की आदत डाल लो. I want you to develop the habit of studying. I want you to develop the habit of studying. वह ABC प्रत्याशी के लिए वोट मांग रहा है. He is canvassing for the ABC candidate. He is canvassing for the ABC candidate. इस नजरबट्टू को अपने घर के बाहर लगा दो. Hang this charm outside your house. Hang this charm outside your house. मैं हमेशा लंच के बाद छपकी लेता हूं. I always have a cat nap after lunch. I always have a cat nap after lunch. वह मरने वाला है. He is on his last legs. He is on his last legs. नया घर हमें बहुत महंगा पड़ा. New house cost us an arm and a leg. New house cost us an arm and a leg. जिस व्यक्ति से तुम मिले वह कोई और नहीं बल्कि मेरे पिता थे. The person whom you met was none other than my father. The person whom you met was none other than my father. वह एक शातिर चोर है. He is a cat burglar. He is a cat burglar. भले ही तुम रो मैं तुम्हें पैसे नहीं दूंगा. Even if you cry, I'll not give you money. Even if you cry, I'll not give you money. वह अचानक से मेरे कार के सामने आया. Out of the blue, he came in front of my car. Out of the blue, he came in front of my car. शुरुआत कौन करेगा? Who will break the ice? Who will break the ice? पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. A lot is yet to come. A lot is yet to come. मैं गीदड़ धमकियों से नहीं डरता. I am not afraid of paper bullets. I am not afraid of paper bullets. मैंने उसकी औकात याद दिला दी. I cut him down to size. I cut him down to size. इसमें कोई कहने वाली बात नहीं है कि हमें कड़ी मेहनत करनी चाहिए. It goes without saying that we should work hard. It goes without saying that we should work hard. वह जैसे तैसे गुजारा कर रहा है. He is living from hand to mouth. He is living from hand to mouth. चाहे अच्छा हो या बुरा, मैं उससे विवाह करूंगा. For better or for worse, I'll marry her. For better or for worse, I'll marry her. आपके बच्चे नियंत्रण से बाहर हैं. Your kids are out of hand. Your kids are out of hand. मेहनत का फल मीठा होता है. No roses without thorns. No roses without thorns. एक चुप सौ सुख. Silence is the best. Silence is the best. ये कमर तोड़ देने वाला काम है. This is a back pain work. This is a back pain work. ये कपड़े छोटे हो गए हैं. These clothes are worn out. These clothes are worn out. आपने चपल्ले उल्टी पहन रखी है. You have put on your slippers wrong sides. You have put on your slippers wrong sides. आपकी चपल्ले उल्टी पड़ी हुई है. Your slippers are lying upside down. Your slippers are lying upside down. पागल हो गया है क्या तू? Are you mad or what? Are you mad or what? मैं तुम्हारी सूरत तक नहीं देखना चाहता. I don't want to even see your face. I don't want to even see your face. मैं तुम्हारे साथ पूरे वक्त नहीं थी. I was not with you all the time. I was not with you all the time. मैं तुम्हारे साथ महफूज या सुरक्षित महसूस नहीं करती. I don't feel safe with you. I don't feel safe with you. मैं भी यही महसूस करता हूं. I feel the same way. I feel the same way. सारे लड़के एक जैसे होते हैं. All boys are the same. All boys are the same. सारी लड़कियां एक जैसी होती हैं. All girls are the same. All girls are the same. तुम्हें जाने नहीं दूंगा. I will not let you go. I will not let you go. मन तो किया उसे एक थप्पड़ लगा दूं. I felt like slapping him. I felt like slapping him. तुमने किसका नाम लिया? Whose name did you take? Whose name did you take? तुम्हें ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए था. You shouldn't have said so. You shouldn't have said so. मैं जाना तो चाहता हूं पर जा नहीं सकता. I want to go but I can't. आई वॉन्ट टू गो बट आई कांट। दिन प्रतिदिन गर्मी बढ़ रही है। इट्स गेटिंग हॉटर डे बाय डे। इट्स गेटिंग हॉटर डे बाय डे। आप बिल्कुल समय पर आए हैं। यू आर जस्ट इन टाइम। यू आर जस्ट इन टाइम। एक एक करके दिखाओ। शो मी वन बाय वन। शो मी वन बाय वन। मुझसे पूछना भी मत। डोंट इवन आस्क मी। डोंट इवन आस्क मी। मुझे कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा। आई कांट हियर एनीथिंग। आई कांट हियर एनीथिंग। सारी बातें छोड़ो। लीव ऑल द थिंग्स। लीव ऑल द थिंग्स। इसमें चिंता की कोई बात नहीं है। इट्स नथिंग टू वरी अबाउट। इट्स नथिंग टू वरी अबाउट। मुझे बात करना पड़ी। आई हैड टू टॉक। आई हैड टू टॉक। अब जाने भी दो यार। लेट इट गो नाउ बडी। लेट इट गो नाउ बडी। मुझे मेरे हाल में छोड़ दो। लीव मी वेयर आई एम। लीव मी वेयर आई एम। बड़ों से तमीज से बात किया करो। टॉक टू एल्डर्स विथ मैनर्स। टॉक टू एल्डर्स विथ मैनर्स। कुछ दिनों के लिए उसे मेरे पास भेज दो। सेंड हिम टू मी फॉर अ फ्यू डेज। सेंड हिम टू मी फॉर अ फ्यू डेज। अब थोड़ी देर आराम करो। नाउ रेस्ट फॉर अ वाइल। नाउ रेस्ट फॉर अ वाइल। मुझे बहुत बातें करनी है। आई हैव अ लॉट टू टॉक अबाउट। आई हैव अ लॉट टू टॉक अबाउट। मैं काम में लगा हुआ था। आई वॉज इन टू वर्क। आई वॉज इन टू वर्क। वह हमें छुप छुप कर देख रही है। शी इज स्नीकिंग आउट एट अस। शी इज स्नीकिंग आउट एट अस। आजकल स्वार्थ का जमाना है। सेल्फिशनेस इज कॉमन दीज डेज। सेल्फिशनेस इज कॉमन दीज डेज। दादाजी कुछ ऊंचा सुनते हैं। ग्रैंडफादर इज हार्ड ऑफ हियरिंग। ग्रैंडफादर इज हार्ड ऑफ हियरिंग। ये ट्रीट मेरी तरफ से। दिस ट्रीट इज ऑन मी। दिस ट्रीट इज ऑन मी। आगे रोड कैसा है? हाउ इज रोड अहेड? हाउ इज रोड अहेड? उत्तर मेरी जबान पर है। द आंसर इज ऑन द टिप ऑफ माई टंग। द आंसर इज ऑन द टिप ऑफ माई टंग। मैं दुविधा में हूं। आई एम इन डिलेमा। आई एम इन डिलेमा। उनके साथ बुरा बर्ताव किया गया। They were treated badly. They were treated badly. क्या उसे प्यार किया जाता है? Is he loved? Is he loved? उसे किसके साथ भेजा गया? Whom was he sent with? Whom was he sent with? किताबें छापी जा रही हैं। Books are being printed. Books are being printed. वह कोई ऐरा गैरा नहीं है। He is not Dick and Harry. He is not Dick and Harry. आइंदा से ऐसा नहीं होगा। As of now, it will not happen. As of now, it will not happen. कम से कम तुम मुझे बता तो सकते थे। At least you could tell me. At least you could tell me. वो दिल्ली छोड़कर कहीं और जा रहा है। He is leaving Delhi and going somewhere else. He is leaving Delhi and going somewhere else. मैं उसे अच्छी तरह से जानती हूं। I know him in and out. I know him in and out. तुमने मेरे दिल की बात बोल दी। You spoke my heart. You spoke my heart. उसने मुझे ये करवाया। He made me do this. He made me do this. इस सब में वो अकेला तो नहीं पड़ जाएगा? Won't he be alone in all this? Won't he be alone in all this? मुझे थोड़ा थोड़ा करके खिलाओ। Feed me bit by bit. Feed me bit by bit. मैं बिना तैयारी इंटरव्यू के लिए गया। I went for the interview offhand. I went for the interview offhand. वो शायद ही कभी मुझसे मिल पाए। I don't think if he could ever meet me. I don't think if he could ever meet me. हमें आपा नहीं खोना चाहिए। We shouldn't lose our temper. We shouldn't lose our temper. वो बेहोश हो गया है। He has become unconscious. He has become unconscious. उसने ही तो ये कहा था। It was he who had said it. It was he who had said it. आज मैं किसी तरह बच गया। I somehow escaped today. I somehow escaped today. मेहमानों की खातिरदारी करो। Look after the guests. Look after the guests. मैं ये दिल से करना चाहता हूं। I want to do it wholeheartedly. I want to do it wholeheartedly. तुम्हारा काम प्रशंसनीय है। Your work is praiseworthy. Your work is praiseworthy. इस मामले को किसी तरह सुलझाओ। Settle this matter somehow. Settle this matter somehow. जो हो रहा है होने दो। Let nature take its course. Let nature take its course. तुम मेरे आगे नहीं टिक सकते। You can't stand against me. You can't stand against me. परेशान लग रहे हो, क्या हुआ? What happened? You look disturbed. What happened? You look disturbed. यार मुझे जॉब की सख्त जरूरत है. Buddy, I badly need a job. Buddy, I badly need a job. आजकल जॉब मिलना थोड़ा कठिन है. Getting a job is little difficult nowadays. Getting a job is little difficult nowadays. आप यहां कब से खड़े हो? Since when have you been standing here? Since when have you been standing here? मैं यहां करीब 1 घंटे से खड़ा हूं. I have been standing here for around an hour. I have been standing here for around an hour. मैंने सोचा बारिश में भीगने से अच्छा है कि यहीं खड़ा रहूं. I thought it's better to stand here rather than drenching in rain. I thought it's better to stand here rather than drenching in rain. मेरी बातों को लिख लो. Mark my words. Mark my words. इसका तो सवाल ही पैदा नहीं होता. It's out of the question. It's out of the question. इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं है. There are no two ways about it. There are no two ways about it. मैं छोटी कर रही हूं. I am plaiting my hair. I am plaiting my hair. वह सिगरेट बहुत पीता है. He's a chain smoker. He's a chain smoker. तुम इतने कहां व्यस्त थे कि तुमने मेरा फोन तक नहीं उठाया? Where were you busy that you didn't pick up my call? Where were you busy that you didn't pick up my call? मन तो किया कि उसे गले लगा लूं. I felt like embracing him. I felt like embracing him. मुझे तुम्हें खोने से डर लगता है. I am afraid of losing you. I am afraid of losing you. फिर बाद में मत कहना कि तुमने मना कर दिया. Then don't say later that you refused. Then don't say later that you refused. फिर बाद में मत कहना कि और लूंगा. अभी बता दो अगर लेना चाहते हो. Then don't say later that I will take more. Tell now if you want to take. Then don't say later that I will take more. Tell now if you want to take. फिर बाद में मत कहना कि तुमने फोन नहीं किया. Then don't say later that you didn't call. Then don't say later that you didn't call. फिर बाद में मत कहना कि वो आया नहीं. Then don't say later that he didn't come. Then don't say later that he didn't come. फिर बाद में मत कहना कि भूख लग रही है. अभी खा लो. Then don't say later that I am feeling hungry. Eat now. Then don't say later that I am feeling hungry. Eat now. कितना बोलती हो तुम? How much you speak. How much you speak. कितना खाते हो तुम? How much you eat. How much you eat. कितना रोती हो तुम? How much you cry. How much you cry. कितना हंसते हो तुम? How much you laugh. How much you laugh. कहाँ चली गई? Where has she gone? Where has she gone? लोग ऐसे क्यों होते हैं? Why are people so? Why are people so? अब किसकी बारी है? Whose turn is now? Whose turn is now? अब मेरी बारी है. Now it's my turn. Now it's my turn. तुम हमेशा मुझे रुलाते हो? You always make me cry. You always make me cry. ये क्या तरीका है? What's this way? What's this way? अगर मैं ना आऊं तो? If I don't come? If I don't come. मैं तुमसे कभी बात नहीं करूंगी. I will never talk to you. I will never talk to you. क्या मैं एक दिन की छुट्टी ले लूं? Can I take a day off? Can I take a day off? कल मेरी छुट्टी है. Tomorrow is my day off. Tomorrow is my day off. क्या तुम अभी अभी उठी हो? Did you just wake up? Did you just wake up? ये सब क्या है? What is all this? What is all this? वह बहुत चालू है. She is very cunning. She is very cunning. मेरा गला बैठा हुआ है. I have a hoarse voice. I have a hoarse voice. वह मेरी जासूसी कर रही थी. She was spying on me. She was spying on me. मैं तुम्हारे लिए पागल हूं. I'm crazy about you. I'm crazy about you. तुम मेरे लिए बनी हो. You are the one for me. You are the one for me. तुम्हारे दिमाग में ये बात आई कैसे? How did it occur to you? How did it occur to you? सबके अपने अपने विचार होते हैं. Opinion vary from person to person. Opinion vary from person to person. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Nothing as such. Nothing as such. तुम्हारा नंबर मिलेगा. Let me get your phone number. Let me get your phone number. क्या तुम उसकी तरफ हो? Are you in favor of him? Are you in favor of him? कोई नहीं बचेगा. No one will be spared. No one will be spared. कोई नहीं हिलेगा. Nobody will make a move. Nobody will make a move. ये मत सोचना कि तुम में कोई कमी है. Don't think you are any less. Don't think you are any less. मेरा दम घुट रहा है. I'm getting suffocated. I'm getting suffocated. हिम्मत मत हारो. Don't lose your courage. Don't lose your courage. आप देर से क्यों जवाब देते हैं? Why do you respond late? Why do you respond late? तुम मेरा अपमान क्यों करते हो? Why do you insult me? Why do you insult me? आप मुझे चोट क्यों पहुंचाते हैं? Why do you hurt me? Why do you hurt me? आप जल्दी क्यों उठते हैं? Why do you get up early? Why do you get up early? तुम गुस्सा क्यों करते हो? Why do you get angry? Why do you get angry? तुम चुप क्यों रहते हो? Why do you keep silent? Why do you keep silent? ये पानी कहाँ से लीक कर रहा है? Where is this water leaking from? Where is this water leaking from? जाकर अपना काम खत्म करो. Go finish your work. Go finish your work. मैं आपको बुलाने ही वाला था. I was about to call you. I was about to call you. मेरे काम में दखल मत दो. Don't intervene in my job. Don't intervene in my job. वक्त सब कुछ सिखा देता है. Time teaches everything. Time teaches everything. तुम्हारा चेहरा मुझे किसी की याद दिलाता है. Your face reminds me of someone. Your face reminds me of someone. मेरे मामा ने तुम्हें पाला. My maternal uncle brought you up. My maternal uncle brought you up. मैं दिल्ली में पला बड़ा था. I was brought up in Delhi. I was brought up in Delhi. उसने सोचा और सच कर दिया. He thought and made it true. He thought and made it true. मैं सपने साकार कर दूंगा. I will materialize the dreams. I will materialize the dreams. मैं हमेशा तुम्हारा साथ देता हूं. I always stand by you. I always stand by you. मुझे आज ही कुछ पैसों की जरूरत है. I need some money today itself. I need some money today itself. मुझे बस अभी ही उसके घर जाना है. I just want to go to her house now. I just want to go to her house now. उसके ख्याल से मेरा काम अच्छा है. He thinks my work is good. He thinks my work is good. हम उनके सपने पूरे करेंगे. We will fulfill their dreams. We will fulfill their dreams. मुझे इस बार पूरी कोशिश करनी है. I've got to try my best this time. I've got to try my best this time. पूछो क्या पूछना है. Ask what you want to. Ask what you want to. दिखाओ क्या दिखाना है. Show what you want to. Show what you want to. ले लो जो लेना है. Take what you want to. Take what you want to. खरीद लो जो खरीदना है. Buy what you want to. Buy what you want to. वह बहुत संस्कारी है. He is well mannered. He is well mannered. वह बहुत बदतमीज है. He is ill mannered. He is ill mannered. तुम्हें बुरी नजर लग जाएगी. You will get an evil eye. You will get an evil eye. मैंने उसकी वॉट लगा दी. I made him put into dilemma. I made him put into dilemma. नींबू निचोड़ दो. Squeeze the lemon. Squeeze the lemon. मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता. I don't think so. I don't think so. कभी कभार. Once in a while, जरूरत से ज्यादा. More than enough. More than enough. बस काफी है. That's enough. That's enough. इसके बारे में सोचो. Think about it. Think about it. क्या तुम्हें यकीन है? Are you sure? Are you sure? मैंने उसे एक नजर में पहचान लिया. I recognized her at a glance. I recognized her at a glance. हम सही सलामत घर पहुंच गए. We arrived home safe and sound. We arrived home safe and sound. गरीब होने के बावजूद भी वो अपने बच्चों को पढ़ाता है. In spite of being poor, he educates his children. In spite of being poor, he educates his children. तुम यहां होने के बावजूद भी यहां नहीं हो. In spite of being here, you are not here. In spite of being here, you are not here. इतना लेट होने के बावजूद भी मैं तुमसे मिलने आया. In spite of being so late, I came to meet you. In spite of being so late, I came to meet you. गाड़ी चलाते समय हमेशा सावधान रहो. Always be cautious while driving. Always be cautious while driving. आजकल के नौजवान खुले मिजाज के होते जा रहे हैं. Nowadays, youngsters are becoming more overt. Nowadays, youngsters are becoming more overt. वे हर समय एक दूसरे का विरोध करते हैं। They contradict each other all the time. They contradict each other all the time.